A dreamlike life for those who want to live life to the fullest. Unique experiences, comfort, technology and all. A place where the land and the sky are in harmony. Majestic views on Belgrade forest and the Bosphorus. Strategic location in a vital area and close to the city center. We are talking about Skyland project right behind us in Sarıyer area. Let's have a tour inside the project. Let's have a look at Skyland project model here. The project is located on an area of 46,000 square meters consisting of 3 towers, 2 are residential and 1 is office. The first residential tower is considered the highest in Istanbul or in Turkey, the highest landmark in Turkey with a height of 288 meters. So the first residential towers containing apartments varying from studio up to 4+1 with around 830 apartments inside. The other residential tower is for apartments with duplex type, 4+1 apartments, 210 apartments inside this building and with 150 meters high. The third tower is for home offices and offices. So in this tower we have around 530 offices and 104 home offices where you can work in an excellent working space with a size up to 2,000 square meters. Of course, this project enjoys a majestic views on the Bosphorus and Belgrade forest and the city as well. Regarding the location of the project, the location is strategic here. Inside the project we have a huge shopping center and a metro station right within the project. Also, it's considered strategic because it's located directly on the E80 highway. So from the E80 highway you can directly get inside the project. The social facilities available in this project: indoor and outdoor swimming pool, sauna, jacuzzi, wellness center and gym, 24-hour security as well. So everything inside this project is beautiful, is luxurious. You can have your office here, you can have your apartment here. It's considered good for investment and for residents as well. Let's see 4+1 duplex apartment. We are here in the 4+1 sample apartment with duplex type. In this floor, we are in the 15th floor right here. The apartment is very huge, very spacious, has an area of 230 meters. You can notice how luxurious and how excellent the materials used and the furniture used in this apartment. In this floor here, we have master bedroom and 2 bathrooms. And here we have the salon, as we can see. We enter from the living room directly to what is called in Turkish language the winter garden area. The winter garden area here where you can sit and enjoy this wonderful view outside of the Belgrade forest, the main source of oxygen in Istanbul. The ceiling height in this winter garden area is good, as we can see, 8 meters high, very high, and the space here is spacious and wide, as we can see. The apartment is controlled by what is called a smart system. So right from your smartphone you can control the heating, the cooling, the ventilation of this apartment, everything right from your smartphone. Let's go upstairs. And here we are in the upper floor. What characterizes 4+1 duplex apartment is that there is an exit from the upper floor right to the outside of the apartment. In this floor we have 2 bathrooms, 1 bathroom here, 1 bathroom here with the children bedroom, and we have a living room right here. And we are here in the upper floor, and this is the master bedroom of this apartment with its bathroom and dressing room right here. This master bedroom has an area of 40 square meters, very spacious, huge space, as we can see, excellent finishings, wonderful views outside on Belgrade forest, and here there is a window on the winter garden downstairs, as we saw before. That was all for this amazing project Skyland, the architectural masterpiece. The project is suitable for investment and residence and appropriate for Turkish citizenship. Excellent for working and living at the same time. For more information about the project, you can contact us through the number shown on the screen, or you can visit our website imtilak.net. Thanks for having this amazing tour with us today and hope to see you soon.